Hello everybody, good day and congratulations to United Pentecostal Church Philippines Incorporated, Baguio. Hello po, this is DJ, I'm Pastor Dave. Salamat po sa opportunity to greet everyone, and we pray for more abundance, blessings in your ministry, Pastor Neil and Ma'am. Ginoo pa tayo magkapanalangin sa inyo ha. You've been such a blessings to us. Thank you also. I thank you also for being my leader in our national ministry. Salamat po sa imong paggiya kanamo. And we're so happy that you continually serve the Lord, and God has blessed the church with a pastor like you. At salamat po sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa iglesia natin sa UPC Baguio. Congratulations, 75 years of God's goodness and mercy. Pagpalain po kayong lahat ng ating Panginoon. To God be all the glory.